Here's Trip. He's 2 weeks old today. He's fussy. He's having a fussy day. He's having a fussy day. We'll bounce him. Hey, baby. Trip. Aww. Hey. Oh, it's okay. There you go. Relax. You want this? No, you don't really like this too much, but sometimes. I love you, baby. Look how long you're getting. Alright, I love you. I'll stop. Bye.